Cool. You mentioned about let's build land in the air, or and it was my previous question also. Like these could be like land pads, right?
Yeah.
Could you like tell a little more about it?
One of the most contentious parts of the urban design is land, right? So because land is finite, so when an urban plan is made, it's a finite amount of land that is divided into equal bits. In that division, there's
Hmm.
exclusion, just by virtue of the fact that it was divided. And if I divide it, this part of the city is going to have all these towers. It's going to be more, it's going to have more value than this part of the city, this
Hmm.
other part of the city. So it means that obviously, if we work for our money and we earn a salary, you can't afford to buy land there. So it's exclusionary. Urban planning generally is exclusionary. So I'm
Hmm.
saying that if we agree that those are the best parts of the city, where those high rises are, because we're always there anyways. We work there. When we travel, all our tourism is done in those parts of the city. We want to be in those parts of the city.
Hmm.
So we have to have affordable houses in those parts of the city. And we can't
Hmm.
use the land for it. Build a
Hmm.
high-rise frame, multiply the land, then divide that high-rise frame, which is now cheaper than the land itself, and give people the opportunity to do what they want to do on that frame. Buy a part of land. So now, whoever does that has created a new kind of real estate. He doesn't have to build buildings. Nobody's going to tell you that his toilet isn't working. You just made a
Right.
hole in the slab where you must connect all your toilets to. Come and do the work.
Hmm.
And so
Hmm.
it removed, again, it's a demystification of these kind of glitzy towers that we have in our urban areas. Because everybody wants to build this big glass tower and put a name on it. So everybody knows there's petrol towers and everybody sees it and you want to take a picture next to it. So if we remove that glass and democratize it, it's a new type of real estate. Everybody makes money. And
Hmm.
everybody also gets his bid. The only caveat to it is that there must be parks. It cannot just be a conventional floor system. There must be
Hmm.
parks, there must be gardens, that people must have frontages and back gardens. Kids must have areas to play. You must be able to have another kind of transport system inside those things. So it's an urban area that is lifted up. We're doing it already. I'm just saying remove the glass and increase the floor height and let's see what happens.